Storm Tracker Weather Center. Meteorologist Kate McKenna.
Time now 11:50, and we are tracking wet weather.
Yeah, certainly a dry midday for some of us, and others things are getting ready to get very wet, especially through our western counties. So let me show you what it looks like on the storm tracker radar, because the rain has been heavy at times already in Mississippi, and I told you about half an hour ago that rain was going to be knocking on our door. In Franklin, Colbert, Lauderdale counties, that's exactly what you see here. In advance of that, we've gotten a couple of showers, mainly about as far east as I-65. So overall, it's not been a very wet day for most of our counties east of I-65. But let me go ahead and pull you over here to what we have been seeing tracking out of Mississippi. All of this, as you can tell if you're watching where those segments of yellow are located, it's all tracking almost due east at this point. So this is going to completely overtake the Tennessee Valley as we go through the afternoon and evening. The data that we've been tracking this rain for the past couple of days is not picking up on just how steady and heavy the rain has been so far today. It's indicating one wave of moisture moving through, but just a couple of spotty showers by 3 o'clock. Most sources that I look at are not this dry at 3 o'clock. In fact, we keep a large amount of rain in place through the evening and especially tonight. There is one underlying trend that hasn't changed, and that's the fact that the rain is going to be at its heaviest through the overnight hours into early tomorrow morning. I'm going to step out here so you can see that rain push off to the northeast by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. There are still scattered showers in place, but not quite to the level of the rain that's going to come through around and just after midnight. Here's 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now continuing through that 11 o'clock time period, most of the rain will attract east of I-65, still impacting mainly Sand Mountain and then areas just west of Sand Mountain. And then once we get closer to our evening commute tomorrow, 4 o'clock, spotty showers still ongoing, fairly hit and miss though. It's more of the same by 6 o'clock and then lasting through 11 o'clock tomorrow night. We'll still be holding on to a few showers through Sand Mountain, sprinkles elsewhere. Rainfall totals, the projections here have been fairly consistent as well. On the low end, about ½ inch of rain. On the high end, localized amounts exceeding an inch are in the forecast. So your 7-day forecast here, notice that temperatures stay mainly in the 60-degree range for today and tomorrow. Upper 60s, though, for Sunday. It's the warmest day that we've got for a while until Halloween. 68 degrees for our forecast high. Really nice for trick-or-treating. Say really nice. It is going to be a little bit cool, but if your costume has long sleeves or layers, I think you'll be just fine to go without the jacket.